Welcome to Melessenz. Can products help me to improve my hair? I was super excited and the results were really surprising. It's growing back, so I think that's a really positive sign. So now I will show you what kind of products I got to avoid build-up and to clean my hair properly. So the first product I got is not a shampoo or anything, it's a brush, also for shampooing, yeah. With this brush now I can shampoo and massage my scalp a lot better. So I got it and really recommend. First I didn't want to get it because another tool which is lying around and is out of plastic. I try to avoid plastic, but something like that needs to be soft to not hurt your scalp or your hair. So there is not really another option than plastic, but I really have to say if I keep using it, it's absolutely worth to use it. And I think it really helps me to remove the buildup even with not so strong aggressive products. This shampoo and conditioner I used before and it contained quite a lot of fats, which is really good for high porosity hair, but for low porosity my hair, it was too much. Yeah, I got built up quite a lot. They got me a whole list of products which they recommend for my hair, and I choose this product because I really love Not Today from Kinky Curly. So I was thinking maybe I also like the cleaning shampoo, Come Clean, and I really like it. Nothing special for me, like, yeah, I have to say, but only this I felt like still a little bit build up because some other products I still had caused me a lot of build up. So they recommended me to co-wash with a leave-in conditioner or detangler. So I use this with the brush at the beginning so I get all the oils removed and then clean my hair in with this combination completely. So that helped me now really to get rid of all the build-up, and also my scalp health improved. I also switched from this conditioner to this conditioner because this conditioner is lower in build-up and also has a little bit of small proteins inside. If it's better or not, I don't know. I feel like it's really getting less build-up, but I wish I had more silky soft conditioner. This is not bringing it so much for me. And also the bottle is a little bit difficult to get the product out because the conditioner is really thick and this bottle cannot be pushed well. So this is a little bit, I may try in the future some other products as well. I also tried these two products for deep conditioning and I didn't have a lot of luck with them either. This one has quite a bit of smaller proteins, but yeah, it's not really doing it for me, so I'm probably gonna switch and try another product. They recommended me this might work for my hair, but I'm not absolutely happy with it. So it's good to use, but yeah, and sometimes have to be really careful. It really triggers my dandruff if I come in contact with my scalp. You have to really be careful and yeah, suboptimal. Because they told me in the dry state my elasticity is a little bit high, they recommended me small protein, and because this product doesn't contain a lot of protein, they recommended me neutral protein filler so I can combine them and get some more protein in there. I don't really need that much protein, but it seems like my hair is not really protein sensitive because I can put it in and I don't have any strange effect or something. So it's really nice to combine. So now to my main pain point. In Japan, high humidity always get so frizzy hair. So I really was looking for a gel or styling product which doesn't make such a lot of frizz. So in Switzerland I always use this product. It's a mousse and it's also curly method approved. I didn't know at the beginning, but it was. So I checked the ingredients, but it has glycerin inside and I think it's a cause of my frizz in Japan. So I tried to find some other products. I used this climate control at the beginning and also tried this and also this. The leave-in conditioner to see if it's about my conditioner to use all together, because I really like to have a crunch which I can crunch out so I get more hold and no frizz. But all didn't really work, and these guys got me so much build up, so it was really difficult to remove with not so strong product. So I asked them to give me a good advice for a good gel. So they recommended me this gel. It says all day hold and frizz control. I tried it and my hair loves it, but yeah, you see I have it inside, still have quite a bit of frizz. It's not that much control. The curls are quite soft, losing the shape fast. I don't know. So I'm looking for maybe a better gel, or I try to stick with this for a while. Maybe I can find out a routine which works better for me. If you have some other ideas or recommendation for low porosity, let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's about the products I have, which I used mainly. It's quite a bit and I try to reduce it because I don't need that much products. I hope I can find the perfect products in the future. I have to say my most favorite product is this guy. It makes my hair so slippery and easy to brush through, so I really love it. And I will keep using it of sure, but maybe I switch out some other products in the future. All in all, I'm really thankful I could make this analysis. MyManeBio gave me a lot of information I was really surprised about. Now I know I have low porosity hair and it's much more easier to choose products because there are so many products. At least now I can narrow it down to the low porosity products. It makes it a lot easier. The full analysis also includes follow-up questions. So 3 emails with 3 questions are allowed, and they always gave me a really nice feedback which helped me a lot to see what kind of products would match for my hair. So I really can recommend this hair analysis, and maybe in the future I would love to do it again to see how much my hair improved, if my elasticity changed. It's just really interesting and nice to get some advice from people who have a lot of knowledge. I'm really curious, how do you care about your hair? And are you planning to change your routine as well? Let me know in the comment. I hope it was helpful and see you soon again. Stay calm and happy.